The Mitsubishi Group is a multinational company and are involved in everything from real estate to food and beverages to telecommunications and automobiles. And of course, it's the automotive side of Mitsubishi we are interested in today. Founded in 1817 as a shipping firm, Mitsubishi didn't start making cars until 1917 when the Mitsubishi Shipbuilding Company Limited introduced the Model A, Japan's first series production automobile. It was an entirely hand-built four-door seven-seat sedan using a town car body style powered by a front-mounted 26 kilowatt 2.8-liter engine driving the rear wheels and was capable of speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. It was soon discontinued in 1921 after receiving stiff competition from American and European mass produced rivals, and only 22 units had been built during this period. In 1934, Mitsubishi Shipbuilding and Mitsubishi Aircraft Company merged to create Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. While it concentrated mainly on manufacturing aircrafts, ships, and machinery, they developed the PX-33 automobile. This was a prototype sedan meant primarily for military use. The PX-33 was the first Japanese-built sedan to have a full-time four-wheel drive, a technology the company would return to 50 years later in pursuit of motorsport success. During the Second World War, Mitsubishi manufactured military aircrafts, and the Mitsubishi A6M was a primary Japanese long range naval fighter aircraft. Mitsubishi did make use of forced labor during this time. Workers included Allied prisoners of war as well as Chinese citizens. During the post war period, lawsuits were presented against Mitsubishi, and in 2015, the company formally apologized for their use of forced labor. Following the end of the war, Mitsubishi went back to making vehicles. A three-wheel cargo vehicle called the Mizushima and a scooter, the Silver Pigeon, were developed. However, family-controlled conglomerates such as Mitsubishi were ordered to be broken up by the Allied powers, and in 1950, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries was split into three regional companies, each for motor vehicle development. West Japan Heavy Industries, Central Japan Heavy Industries, and East Japan Heavy Industries. East Japan Heavy Industries began importing the Henry J, an inexpensive American sedan built by Kaiser Motors in 1951, and continued to bring them to Japan till its production run. Central Japan Heavy Industries concluded a similar contract with Willys for CKD assembled Jeeps, which proved more durable with licensed Mitsubishi Jeeps in production until 1998. West Japan Heavy Industries had also expanded their automotive departments in the 1950s, and the three were reintegrated as Mitsubishi Heavy Industries in 1964. Within 3 years, its output was over 75,000 vehicles annually. Following the successful introduction of the first Galant in 1969 and a similar growth with its commercial vehicle division, it was decided that the company should create a single operation to focus on the automotive industry. Mitsubishi had also launched the 500, which was a mass market sedan in the year 1953. The 500 was designed to meet new demand from customers. At this time, Japan's economy was on the rise, wages were increasing, and the idea of a family vehicle was becoming more and more popular. The Minica Kei car followed in 1962, which is the oldest Mitsubishi car to be in production when it was replaced in 2011. Mitsubishi had also introduced the Colt line of vehicles in 1962. It was first a series of subcompact cars in the 1960s. It started with the Mitsubishi Colt 600. This was the first of a line of small family cars set to complement their Mitsubishi 500. The Colt 1000 was introduced in 1963 and was the largest compact car, and the Colt 800 followed with the Colt 1500 in 1965. The Colt 1100 was launched in 1966 and the Colt 1200 in 1968. Mitsubishi launched the Debonair in October 1963. This was a luxury car used to serve as their flagship passenger vehicle in the domestic market. It was introduced at the 10th All Japan Motor Show in October 1963. It was used by senior Mitsubishi executives as a company car. Mitsubishi Motors Corporation was formed on April 22, 1970 as a wholly owned subsidiary of Mitsubishi Heavy Industries under the leadership of Tomio Kubo, a successful engineer from the aircraft division with a strategy to increase exports by forging alliances with well-established foreign companies. Therefore, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries sold US automotive giant Chrysler a 15% share in the new company. Thanks to this deal, Chrysler began selling the Galant in the United States as the Dodge Colt, pushing MMC's annual production beyond 250,000 vehicles. In 1977, the Galant was sold as the Chrysler Sigma in Australia. Annual production had grown from 5 lakh vehicles in 1973 to 9,65,000 vehicles in 1978 when Chrysler began selling the Galant as a Dodge Challenger and the Plymouth Sapphire. In 1980, Mitsubishi finally achieved annual production of 1 million cars, but Chrysler was forced to sell its Australian manufacturing division to MMC that year to avoid bankruptcy and renamed it Mitsubishi Motors Australia Limited. In 1982, the Mitsubishi brand was introduced to the American market for the very first time with the Tridia sedan and the Cordia and Starion coupes. However, their quota was restricted by an agreement between the Japanese and the US governments. Despite tensions, Chrysler and Mitsubishi agreed to unite for a manufacturing operation in Illinois. The 50-50 venture proved a way to get around the voluntary import restrictions, but also providing a new line of compact and subcompact cars. The result of this was Diamond Star Motors, and it was incorporated in October 1985. The name came from the two logos, Mitsubishi's Three Diamonds and Chrysler's Pentastar. In 1987, the company was selling 67,000 cars a year, but when the plant was completed in March 1988, it offered an annual capacity of 240,000 vehicles. The Mitsubishi Eclipse Eagle Talon and the Plymouth Laser were the other models which were introduced in the subsequent years. Mitsubishi were producing profitable vehicles such as the Diamante and the Pajero. The company's newly launched Pajero became more and more popular even in the crowded streets of Japan. During this period, Honda was caught off guard with the SUV and truck boom and was losing focus after the illness and the later death of its founder. The Mitsubishi takeover proved effective with SUVs and light trucks booming in the US. Japan's car manufacturers dismissed the idea that such a trend could occur in their own country. Mitsubishi's wide line of four-wheel drive vehicles, from the Mitsubishi Pajero to the Delica Space Gear passenger van, rode the wave of SUV buying in Japan in the early to mid 1990s. And Mitsubishi saw its overall domestic share rise to 11.6% in the year 1995. Mitsubishi had also taken a joint partnership with Volvo in 1991. The project was branded Nedcar and began producing the Mitsubishi Charisma alongside the Volvo V40. Mitsubishi also had a similar joint venture with the Indian car manufacturer Hindustan Motors that had started in the year 1998. In what was referred to as one of the largest corporate scandals in Japanese history, Mitsubishi was twice forced to admit to systematically covering up defect problems in its vehicles. Four defects were first publicized in 2000, but in 2004 it confessed to 26 more, going back as far as 1977, including failing brakes, fuel leaks, and malfunctioning clutches. The effect on the company was catastrophic, forcing it to recall over 163,707 cars for free repair. In an effort to boost sales in the US in the early 2000s, Mitsubishi began offering a 000 finance offer, 0% down, 0% interest, and $0 monthly payments. Initially, sales leapt, but at the end of the year's grace period, numerous credit risky buyers defaulted, leaving Mitsubishi with used vehicles for which they had received no money and which were now worth less than their cost to manufacture. In October 2005, Mitsubishi Motors Australia introduced the Mitsubishi 380 to the Australian market as the replacement for its long running Mitsubishi Magna and the sole vehicle being built at its Australian assembly plant at Clovelly Park. Despite an investment of a whopping $600 million developing the car, initial sales projection proved optimistic. After only 6 months, Mitsubishi scaled back production from 90 per day and reduced the working week from 5 days to 4. It remained an ongoing concern in the Australian auto industry as to whether this would be sufficient to restore the plant to profitability and ensure its long time survival. The drop in local sales could be mitigated by exports outside of the Australian and New Zealand market. On 5th February 2008, Mitsubishi Motors Australia announced it would be closing down its Adelaide assembly plant by the end of March. Between 700 and 1,000 direct jobs would be lost, and up to 2,000 jobs will be lost in industries supporting Mitsubishi's local manufacturing operations. In 1988, Mitsubishi opened a production facility in the United States in Normal, Illinois. The facility was known as Diamond Star Motors and was initially a joint venture with Chrysler. However, Chrysler sold its stake in the plant to Mitsubishi in 1993. After 1995, the facility was known as Mitsubishi Motors Manufacturing America. At its peak in 2000, the facility produced over 222,000 vehicles per year. However, following the decline of Mitsubishi in North America, the plant operated well below capacity for years. Finally, in July 2015, Mitsubishi announced that it would close the plant by November, but would continue to sell automobiles in North America. In 2014, the plant had produced just 69,000 vehicles, roughly one quarter of its capacity. Production at the plant ended on 30th November 2015, and most of the employees were laid off. The plant continued to operate with a minimal staff to produce replacement parts until May 16, after which it closed permanently. In early 2016, Mitsubishi partner Nissan found discrepancies between Mitsubishi information and actual fuel consumption while working in new microcars for both companies, the EK Wagon, EK Space, Nissan Days, and Nissan Days Rooks. At the time, Mitsubishi manufactured microcars for Nissan, which had never produced that class of vehicle itself. Mitsubishi admitted that they had been giving wrong information on fuel consumption from 2002 onwards, using inaccurate test methods. Later, the company said it used fuel economy testing methods that did not comply with Japanese regulations for 25 years, much longer than previously known. Mitsubishi management said they did not know about the issue and that the wrong information came from the microcar development department. They ordered an investigation led by investigators not affiliated with the company. The resultant scandal culminated in Nissan acquiring a controlling interest in MMC in May 2016. As a consequence, Nissan agreed to invest $2.2 billion in exchange for receiving a 34% controlling ownership stake in Mitsubishi Motors. The Mitsubishi logo was derived from the flag design of its shipping company predecessor. The three triangles are actually based on the shape of a water chestnut. In Japanese, the word for tree is mitsu and the word for water chestnut is hishi. However, hishi is pronounced as bishi when used in the second half of a word. The combination generated the name Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi has a long standing partnership with Jackie Chan, who only uses vehicles from the brand in his films. The Lancer Evo became particularly famous because of his movies. Thunderbolt and Who Am I are two of the classics that show him pulling off wild stunts in a Mitsubishi. He has made it a point to utilize only Mitsubishi vehicles in his cinema. In 1976, Mitsubishi developed the silent shaft engine, which was introduced in the Astron 80, reducing vibration in four-cylinder setups after patenting the groundbreaking technology. They then licensed it to several other big name manufacturers, including Porsche, Fiat, and Saab.